Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how I've attached the dash cam on the XUV. So as you can see, there's the electrostatic sticker that I got in the box. So just clean the surface, put the sticker, and there's a designated mark on the sticker where you need to attach the dash cam. So once you're done with that, just put the wiring, just connect the wire to the dash cam, which is really necessary because you don't want to fall short of the wire during the installation. So the wire goes from there all the way under the roof line from here till the A pillar. It is really simple to put the wire. You don't need any tool or something. From here, you can just put this inside, right from this part itself. You don't need to take this stuff out. And from here, it's going. The wire is going all the way under the bedding till this part. And let me open the door. It's just going here, and from here up, turn the wire this side, and let me show you. It goes all the way under here, like here, to this panel, and there's space here. So what you can do is just put the wire here, this on the other side of the panel without taking this panel off, and then you can bring the wire all the way here, and this is the only part where the wire will be visible, so that because it needs to cut into the plug. So it's pretty simple.